Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the auto power off setting on your LG TV. So after 4 hours, your TV is going to automatically turn off. So let's go to settings here, then click it here, then wait for this to load, go to general, then go to system, then let's go to time and timer, then let's go to timers, and here's the setting down here. Auto power off after 4 hours. Just click this off and it won't be turning off anymore. It says set the TV to turn off automatically if there is no user input for 4 hours. So we can just click it off right here and we won't have to worry about my TV turning off. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.